Hello everybody, this is Mario Sonic Crash and Thomas the Tank Fan 64 here, and today, welcome to part 4 of my custom wooden railway custom showcase. And today, I'm presenting the Little Western duo, and Toad, too. So, let's start off with the first Little Westerner, Duck, or Monster. So, this was made out of my childhood duck. I decided to, I painted him a little bit, and this I gave him the little white thing here is his original nameplate he had on the Railway series. And here too. And plus I also gave him a red lining thing here. I'm gonna compare him to my Great Western duck, my TWR duck, which has the black thing. But I decided to do it my take. Yeah. Anyways, moving on, we go to Oliver. Yeah. This is also made on my Oliver that I got with the yellow car and the dino thing. I decided to also give him his also nameplate. Plate 2. So, I also did the red lining as well. And finally, Toad. So, he was made out of the one that I got off of eBay or Amazon, and decided to give him a little repaint since it was just stretching off. So I'm going to compare him to my Taken Play Toad and my Bachman Toad. So here they are. They're all together. I got 3 toads, and I am pretty good. And that's it. That was my custom Little Western engines. So yeah. Thanks for watching, everybody. This is Mario Sonic Crash and Thomas the Tank Fan 64 signing off.